we go. That was actually way over there. It floated past that second one even. All right, let's take this one with us. There's the other trommel. There's the crane. Good to see you, crane. Look at this big feller. He has not moved from this spot. Jeez. Maybe in about 6 months. And look at all the ice in the back. I had to come and rip this out. Yeah, big chunks of ice stuck to it. Ripped it right out of there. That's all right. I haven't even seen if this could start up. It's still got ice all over it. Look at all the dirt in there. You guys are probably like, what the hell? If I had this machine, that would have been in my garage, blah, 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 bullshit. That might be the case. But if you guys know about YouTube Gold, you know about RC Adventures, you know about RC Sparks, this stuff has been through hell and back. We have made it pay for itself over and over again. This shit's been used. Let's go ahead and see if we can fire this whole thing up. Let me turn on the radio first. Will it start? Well, the motor feels like it wants to move. That's for the pump. I think we can do this. Oh, yeah. Dude in there looks warm, good. Can we start her up? Oh, Volvo for the win, baby. I bet you this big pig is frozen to the ground. Hold on, we get our mirrors out here just so he can see his way around. Safety first. Well, back in the day it was safety 21st. Let's see. Can I go forward? All right, here. Let's just check it out first. Let's do my. There we go. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, hydraulic pump and all. This is why, folks. I wasn't worried about leaving it outside. My stuff is built tough. Oh, so sexy. Right on. If that's not authentic for you, then what is, hey? Let's get it to climb a little bit. You can't see that it's kind of steep here. Not like steep, but like at least it has a cliff. Not bad, not bad. The wind's blowing, it's a little brisk today. Man, I love these machines. My whole shop has all my other collection, but I wanted to leave a few key pieces like a bulldozer, one of these articulating rock trucks. I wanted to get some real weathering, and the only way you can do that is to fucking leave it in the weather, or you can fake it. So hot. This is what I'm talking about. This is why I love this hobby so much. I'll be doing radio control until I am no longer on this planet. It's just too cool. You must be wondering, can I lift up the back bed? The answer is yes, if it's still going. I believe it should be. There we go. Pop open that back. You can see it's an articulating, or pardon me, not articulating, a swing arm basically, right at the back, how it lifts up a mechanical tailgate. There we go. Man, hydro's working just fine. Nice. And the gate closes perfectly. Kaboom! Like at most, I'm gonna wipe off the front windshield and then that'll be it. like the rust, the dirt, it all fits it. I'll lube it up, of course, now that I've got it. Put her back in the shop. But this is the real deal. He's calling it the real deal for something that's make-believe. Gnarly, look at that. It's like glass and baby poo. That's basically what that looks like. Let's hit it. Yeah. Right on through. Gross. Yeah, to steer with one hand. I use throttle with one finger, and I use steering with the other. And then I film with the camera. It's easy. Anybody can do it. Truly. You just gotta practice. Friggin' awesome experience. I love that you guys still come to check out my videos. Even when I'm not feeling good. I still gotta get outside and exercise. This is a great way to get out and explore. Once you finally like pay for your stuff and it's yours, it just keeps on giving. That's the point. You don't have to have 1,000 RCs. You just gotta have one that you really like. And that's the beautiful thing about this hobby. By yourself or with others, it's cool. Come on, let's go. Flying, construction, tanks, anything you want, it's there. It's the best. The places you can go, the people that you can meet in this hobby are incredible. Yeah, baby. Oh, bird's nest, cool. Look at this. Fuck, I just drove over it. Oh, it's frozen solid anyway. Eh, it must have fallen out of one of the areas. Well, we had that huge storm come through. So cool. There you go, nothing we can do with it now. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I couldn't believe that we got her up and going so easy. One 3S LiPo battery, 2200 milliamp right now, that's what's in it. I'm working working my way back to the shop where I'll thaw this beauty out. Authentic rust. Look at the fitting right there, yo. You might not like that, but I actually think it's the ultimate scale aspect, right? Like I didn't want to paint the rust on here. I just wanted the elements to let the elements do what they do. Why not? I can always replace a fitting if it doesn't work. But as you can see, it's working just fine. They said it couldn't be done. Bullshit.